Ken Carson, Sketch, and one of the biggest artists in the entire world are all clients I signed in the last 30 days with a brand new business model that's been hiding in plain sight. And this business model is the reason I shut down my 7-figure business and started working on something that nobody has ever attempted to do before. And I was called crazy for shutting down my last venture, going ghost, and going all in on this. But since launching, my agency has generated over 250K and over 70 million views for some of the biggest names in the entertainment industry. And I did all of this without making any content myself, dealing with headache clients, or spending hours doing service delivery. So what is the business model? It's called a content rewards agency. And pay close attention to this video because I'm going to reveal an opportunity that's disrupting an entire industry and how you can get a piece of it. No gatekeeping, no fluff, just exactly how I built this business. This is the future of marketing, and almost no one else is doing this yet. You could think of a content rewards agency like running a Facebook ads agency back when Facebook ads first launched. And if you know anything about Facebook ads in those early days, it was the wild, wild west. People who got in early were printing money. But instead of spending money on Facebook ads, I help brands spend money on organic content. Content rewards is a new form of advertising where brands pay their fans directly instead of giving money to platforms like Facebook or Google. Let's use one of the campaigns I recently ran as an example. A massive artist I can't name dropped a collab album in February, and their management wanted to test this new form of marketing. So I set up a content rewards campaign on WAP. WAP is the platform that allows you to run these content reward campaigns. His label allocated $20,000 where any clipper, editor, fan, or UGC creator could get paid for making content using his songs or talking about it. And we ran 2 campaigns. One where we paid clippers 50 cents per 1,000 views to clip streamer reactions, and then the other where we paid UGC creators 70 cents per 1,000 views to post videos using songs from the album. Now, we set a max payout of $1,000 per clip. This was really important because some of the clips went extremely viral, getting like 9 million views, but we only paid $1,000 for those and got millions of extra views for free. And the content that came in was incredibly diverse. We had fitness creators dancing to the music in gyms, people filming reactions in their cars, AI generated content using the songs, gaming streamers reacting to the album, dance challenges and trends, memes, you name it. It's similar to TikTok's Creator Fund, where creators on TikTok get paid for views they get, but instead of TikTok paying, the artist pays a set rate per 1,000 views directly to the clipper. And as a content rewards agency owner, you just set up the campaign and connect these clippers with the client, and you get paid just for connecting them. Now, here's why every creator wants this. Typically, Facebook ads might cost $10 to $20 per 1,000 views, but instead of paying ad platforms, creators can just pay 35 cents per 1,000 views for people to clip and repost their content. This is up to 50 times cheaper than traditional advertising, which is insane. But here's what makes this even more powerful. When you run Facebook ads, you're limited by your own creativity and resources. You have to come up with the idea for the ads yourself and create all of the creatives to test. With content rewards, you have hundreds or thousands of creators all trying different approaches, testing different formats, and finding what works best with their specific audiences. Take a look at this. This is a podcast a creator had clipped. Within 48 hours, he got 742 pieces of content for only $1,500 and generated almost 500,000 views. This allowed the creator to test hundreds of different angles per day to see what will go viral and work within the algorithm. Sounds easy, right? Well, here's where you come in. Creators don't have the time to set up the campaigns, find the clippers, and get them posting good content, which is why they're looking for people like you to start a content rewards agency to help them. Just like businesses pay advertising agencies to help them run ads, you're essentially doing the same thing, but with organic content. And here's exactly how we set this up. The client deposits their budget, we set guidelines for content, we establish payment rates, creators and clippers start submitting content, and they only get paid after generating views. And at the end of the month, you charge the client a retainer plus a percentage of the budget paid out. Let me show you another real example with Dean Graziosi. His team deposited $10,000 into a content rewards program, and the rate they were paying clippers was $4 per 1,000 views, because Dean isn't an already super viral creator. So it is a bit harder for his clips to go viral. But within the first month, the entire budget was spent and there was 2.8 million views generated for Dean. That averages out to a 35-cent CPM, which is completely unheard of in traditional marketing. And the secret behind this is setting a max payout per clip. Typically with any campaign I'll run, I'll set a max payout of around $1,000. So if a clip goes crazy viral, the clipper still makes a good amount of money, but we don't end up spending just $5,000 on one clip. Now here's the best part about all of this. This is completely automated. Using a platform called WAP, I can set up campaigns in minutes, track views automatically, pay out the clippers instantly, easily approve or deny posts, and scale campaigns efficiently. And the craziest thing about this model model is it works for literally anyone or any business that needs advertising. You can do this for creators that want to use a clipping army to take over the internet, musicians launching albums, streamers building audiences, movie studios, sport teams, even government bodies could use this. This is a real example of how big this could get. Dubai used to make all of their money from oil, and now they've transitioned to tourism being their main income. Right now, they're running a campaign where they're giving away 10,000 golden visas to influencers. Now, imagine if they ran a content rewards campaign paying creators to showcase Dubai. They could reach millions of potential tourists for a fraction of their current marketing budget. Countries like Qatar would be perfect for using this model for tourism marketing. And the budgets we're talking about here are massive. Movie studios alone spend hundreds of millions on marketing. Now, if you want to start your own content rewards agency, here's what you need. First, you need to learn the technical setup. Develop a Clipper network, start small and prove results, and then scale to bigger opportunities. Now, let me break down each of these. Different clients have different needs. A musician needs different content than a software company. We ran a campaign for a streamer's sketch, and it was a lot different to the campaign we ran for the two artists. Technical setup is straightforward once you understand the difference between clipping and UGC and how WAP actually works. Your Clipper and UGC network is crucial. These are people who will actually create the content, and the good news is they're easy to find because they're already making content. And starting small means you can test and refine your process before going after bigger clients. And scaling, the market is massive. The thought of how much opportunity is out there for this model genuinely has been keeping me up at night. There's $300 billion spent yearly on advertising, and this model is disrupting that entire industry. We're at the beginning of a massive shift in marketing. Traditional advertising costs keep rising while organic reach keeps falling. Content rewards solves both problems. And I called this out 6 months ago, and everyone thought I was crazy for shutting down my last business and going all in on this. Now, I've closed some of the biggest creators in the space in just 6 months. Trust me when I say that 5 years from now, every major brand will be doing this. And the time to get in is now. Listen, this is exactly like Facebook ads in 2014. The opportunity is here right now, but it won't last forever. So if you want to learn more about starting a content rewards agency, click the first link in my description.